Hey guys, here's a 44-inch Hampton Bay Carousel II ceiling fan from December of 2004. This fan features the primary and pastel colored blades. For those of you that do not know, this fan would have actually came with two sets of blades when it was new. The whole entire concept of it was you'd buy the fan for your kid's room and you'd put these sets of blades on it, which were the colored ones. And then you'd hold on to the second set until your kid grows up, and when they don't want a colored fan anymore, they would just replace the blades with the white set rather than changing out the entire unit. But people really didn't understand that, and most of them just chucked the second set of blades. And yeah, so this is no exception. This is what happened with this one. I didn't get the second set with it. But these are really big childhood fans for me. I remember these all over the place when I was a kid. I had dozens of friends have these in their bedrooms, and some of them still have them in their rooms to this day, actually. And it's not the best fan out there. It's pretty cheap. This thing probably would have only sold for like $40 back then. But that's besides the point. I will say though, these fans, even despite their cheapness, they last pretty decently. Because I remember a lot of the ones in my friends' houses, they got the crap beat out of them. People would throw stuff into them, and they were just a mess. But they're still here after a while. But anyway, yeah. So I'll demonstrate this one for you. Here's the light. There's that. There's low. Of course, it hums like crazy, but whatever. This fan kind of reminds me of the Hampton Bay San Marino, because that's pretty much what it is, but it has longer blades on it. This one's in kind of rough shape too, but it was on Marketplace for really cheap, and I've always wanted one, so I picked it up. But if I find one with the second set of blades with it, I'll probably pick that one up as well. But yeah. This one came all complete though, except for the second set. But mounting bracket, everything was with it. Hums like crazy, but here's medium speed. And I remember out of all the ones that I've seen as a kid, every single one of them wobbled. But oddly enough, this one really doesn't wobble. Doesn't go very fast either, in all honesty. I had terrible bearing noise when I got it, but I stuck some WD-40 in there and figured that out. Switch it up to high speed. It's throwing out a decent breeze on high, you know. For a cheap fan, it's not doing terrible. Still have to clean this one up too, it's pretty filthy. It has some dings in the blades. But what can you do? Pretty sure the tag is up there. It's somewhere, but it's December of 04. Yeah. I know these were introduced in 2003 and they were discontinued, I think, in 2008. Yeah, so anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.